students. Today we are going to see a new chapter that is about tux paint. So it is a very interesting topic. It is like paint only, but it is more interesting than paint. So let us start our chapter. So our first part, that is tux paint, the introduction. तो tux paint क्या है? It is a wonderful drawing program for children with a lot of creative tools. उसमें बहुत सारे tools है जो आप use कर सकते हो, like funny animations and magical effects. The unique feature, उसका unique feature क्या है? That it is free software. It is freely available. You can get it from the website. आप कोई भी जो website मैंने दी हुई है आप देखना, उसमें tuxpaint.org, उस पर आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपके पास वो सॉफ्टवेयर आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. यू कैन इंस्टॉल इट एट योर होम. इट हैज़ अ ड्राइंग मैस्कॉट विच हेल्प्स यू टू नो मोर अबाउट इट, दैट इज पेंगुइन. आपको वहाँ पेंगुइन दिखेगा जो पेंगुइन आपको बताता जाएगा कि what you have to do, which tool you have to use it, how you have to use it. Okay, a large variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. आप बहुत सारे डिजाइन बना सकते हो. फनी साउंड इफेक्ट्स आर प्लेड व्हेन वी सिलेक्ट एनी टूल. जैसे आप कोई टूल सिलेक्ट करोगे तो वहाँ उसमें एकदम से अचानक से आवाज आएगा जो फनी होगा. इट विल बी वेरी मच फनी. We can load and save the images directly as thumbnails without using any file name. यानी फाइल नेम के बिना भी वो सेव हो जाता है. We have to not to give the file name like we are doing in the paint. Okay, how to open the tux paint? Select start all programs tux paint. उसमें दो टाइप के tux paint आते हैं. एक is windows and the another one is full screen. Windowed means it will be like a window, a small window it will come. Full screen यानी वो पूरे screen को cover कर लेगा. Then the second thing, toolbox has total of 14 different tools. आपके पास कितने tools है? 14 tools. Sub toolbox contains more options of a particular tool. जैसे आप कोई tool को आप select करोगे, when you are selecting any of the tool, with that many of the option you will get it in the sub toolbox. Colors in the palette. So there are colors also. In different colors you can give the colors to the picture also. We have 17 fixed colors and one choice color. आपके पास 17 fixed colors तो वहाँ है, but you can do the selection also by pick color, and with that they have given a last option from where you can do the selection of different colors. The penguin is a friend. It tells the proper method. As I have told you कि हाँ पहले ही वो mascot वो आपको बताएगा कि हाँ आपको क्या करना है. Okay. Now the charters is the like of a page from coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture and with different background colors. Okay. Now let us see how to start. मैंने आपको Windows, then Tux Paint, in that windowed and full screen I have already explained it. Okay, so you can see now it is open. Now let us see paint tool. Paint tool आप देखो ये paint tool मैंने select किया है and now I am drawing with that. Now what is the feature of it? It is select by default. By default paint tool में ही होगा. It is used to paint and draw anything. You can draw anything like a brush tool which we have in the MS Paint. You can see it like I am drawing over here. You can see it over here that I have drawn, right? The picture in which I have kept it the hills. Then I can do different type of selections. I can take the colors. I can take different brushes, as you can see, right? So now the next we will see, that is sub toolbox. Sub toolbox is next to that. You can see here that I will move the cursor. Here it is tools and here it is sub tools. That is the different brushes you will get it. Okay, many options of brush. देखो यहाँ मैं different effects दे रही हूँ. Like flowers मैं select कर रही हूँ. Different colors of that flowers I am selecting. There are 50 different shades, but only a few are used. यानी कुछ ही चीजें हम लोग use करते हैं, but there are many. Okay, so let us go for the next now. Haze brush shape. It is a unique sub tool. यहाँ आपको दिख रहा है कि ये haze brush. It is like a, you can say कि वो blur effect, or you can say the lighten effect you can give it. You can see here the haze effect. Okay, like a blur it will be seen. There are many haze effect over here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hazes are given that you can select to draw different objects लाइक आप दूर से देख रहे हो वैसे आपको लगेगा when you will draw it. Okay, so we will go for the next now. Magic tool. Magic tool is a different thing in which there are many magics, right? Like here you can see blend effect, then bricks effect, many are there. Bricks, in that also there are big and small bricks, blocks are there, blur effect is there. I will show all the things. Okay, here the bricks I have shown you. Okay, big and small. In that also you can do the selection of the colors. Calligraphy अगर आपको करना है. Okay, next we will see the bricks magic. In this bricks magic you will see here, as I have shown, right, different bricks. You can select big block bricks also and the small brick. Even you can change the color. I will show it that also. देखो यहाँ orange, right? So orange color I have taken. Okay, now next is blur. Now you want to give the image a blur effect. देखो ये frog है, उसको blur कर दिया है मैंने. Okay, now you will see the original also. मैं आपको उसके साथ original वाला दिखाती हूँ how it looks. Okay, the changes you will come to know by that. Okay, what is the change? Like you will go to the stamp tool. In that, if you don't have it, the stamps, you can take it the rubber stamps from there only in the website tuxpaint.org. Now we'll go for the grass effect. Grass effect बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. जैसे आप zoo का बनाना चाहते हो या तो फिर बाद में आप कोई forest का बनाना चाहते हो, you can make it a forest. In that animals, as I have shown you by the stamp, you can take the animals and from there you can take it the the stamp, and then by the magic in that we have the grass effect as you have seen. Now the fill tool is next to the magic tool, जिससे आप fill कर सकते हो color, right? आपको पूरा means picture बना देना है. If you will make the picture and you will take the fill color, but it must be closed object. Okay, now the flower tool is also a magic tool in which you can make different flowers. देखो यहाँ मैं colors उसके select कर रही हूँ और flower tool को, तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ color change होगा. Like I have taken purple, you can see even I am changing the direction. उसका direction भी change कर सकते हो, आप move भी कर सकते हो. Okay, so you can see I have done it many ways. Okay, so you can create your own nursery of flowers and that all. Okay, even you can make your own drawing. Next is stamp tool. Stamp tool, as I have told you that if you don't get the rubber stamp, आपके पास पहले तो penguin ही होगा, only you have the penguin, but it is inbuilt. Okay, but you want to download many more, then you can go to the rubber stamps from the website as I have told you, www.tuxpaint.org. Okay, now pattern brush tool. यहाँ बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स आपको ब्रश के मिल जाएंगे. यू कैन सी दैट इन द सब टूल्स आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू फर्स्ट ओनली. मैंने यहाँ आपको दिखाया. देखो ये डिफरेंट ब्रशेज आर देयर. लाइक आई वांट टू टेक विद द this one is active. You can see over here I have taken this brush. Okay, now with that I will show you that how I am giving the effect of the tree. Let us see. It is a good magic over here. Everyone will like it. At least I know that you will do this thing at home also. In the mobile phone also we can do it by the Android, okay, version. Yes, you have to select the color green, because in different colors also it will come. देखिए ये magic आया, right? I've made a tree, right? So you can see the magic. It's very nice. Okay, so let us go for the next. Now here it is a line tool. Line tool, you can say brush is a free form, यानी brush आप कहीं भी कैसे भी घुमा सकते हो. Line, in that you will go with the straight line or maybe a curved line like that. तो आप देख सकते हो I have taken different colors and with that different sub tools that are the sub tools of the lines. With that I am going with different tools of it and see the pattern it is going on. Okay, now the next we will go, that is saving a file. How you will save a file? Like I am drawing over here, I am making a picture. You can see that I have taken animals. Okay, I am taking the animals and now after completing the drawing, मुझे ये complete हो गया, अब मुझे save करना है. तो what I will do, I will go with the brush save option. तो save के पास आप click करोगे तो वो अपने आप सेव कर देगा like a thumbnail. प्लीज कीप इट इन माइंड, यहाँ जो ये आपको दिखाया जा रहा है दिस इज फॉर मैक्सिमाइजिंग और मिनिमाइजिंग द स्टैम्प। ओके, आपको बड़ा छोटा करना है जिराफ को, एलिफेंट को, देन यू कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस। ओके, next after that opening a saved file, yes you can open पे click करोगे, then you will select the thumbnail and it will be opened over here, right? Like I have saved it this file, so it is open. Hope you all like it. Please like and subscribe my channel.